Hello everyone. So welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how we can set up formulas in Excel, how we can use the cell references uh, to use in formula. So in the Excel, if you're typing, whenever you put an equal to sign, it always used to put some formula. It refers that you are going to initiate a formula that could be based on a reference, like if you are trying to take a value from one cell to another cell, that equal to sign is also used for that purpose. If you want to perform any mathematical operation, you can also use the equal to sign. If you want to calculate if you want to apply any function like predefined functions, so that in those scenarios we have to use the equal to sign with your Excel. How it's working I will show in the Excel sheet also. So if you want to put a formula bar, you can see one of the bar is there at the top of your Excel, where you can see the formula that is applied over there. It's if you are using a function, it's always based on your parenthesis. So how it works in Excel, let me quickly show you. Like this is my formula bar, this one. If I click on any of the cell address would be written here. If suppose I typed a value 10 here and 20 here, two values I have placed here. If I go there and if I type equal to, so equal to your sum is the default one which is mentioned here, that you can use the functions predefined ones. You can also call the functions from here. I will show you later how we can utilize the function. So if I put a equal to sign, I can simply move down the arrow key to select a row or select a cell. If I pressed enter, it will take the value from there. If I want to put a sample formulas, for example, plus, minus, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, like asterisk sign, and division is for dividing two numbers. So let me quickly enter it here. I selected this and I entered plus sign, plus I selected this box. C3 plus C2. Just pressed enter. You can see the sum would be there. If I clicked on this box, in the formula bar, I can see it what exactly the formula is written. If you want to see it in the same box also, press F2 key, so it will show the formula. Or just once you click on that and press an F2 key to see the formula. Then I am just going to put one more formula here, that is C3 minus C2. Okay, now subtraction result is there. If I want to multiply it, I can just click on this and press star. Asterisk sign is used for multiplication in computers, so you can use it here. And if I want to divide it, then I selected this and put the slash, and then put this forward slash and this division. So all the formulas are there. If I clicked on say formula bar, this one, it's subtraction, it's division, is multiplication. So here I can take a reference of this cell and I executed the formula. If I just want a simple reference, I can put it like this. Sorry, like this. Here you can see it's taking value 20. The difference is that in the C3, whatever value would be there in the C3, it will always be there in this cell. So let me quickly show you. Suppose I pressed value as 40. All the formulas are calculated accordingly, and here also you can see the value is changed. So this is the benefit and the of Excel once you are using a reference or a formula in the cell. So these are the signs that use to equal to is basically the formula always start with the equal to sign. Point to be remember and note down with you. You can use the calculation operators like plus sign for additional, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk sign for multiplication, and the forward slash sign for your division, so that you can use this in the simple format. You can use the auto sim sign which you have seen in the last I think second video, second part of this Excel. I have shown that auto sum is there. You can just go in the Excel and you can use this auto sum sign. From formula, click on formula. You can take an auto sim from here. It will ask you to select the range. You can select the range whatever you want to. Just press enter. It will calculate the sum of all values. Same as you can calculate the average also. You can just select the range whatever you want and this will calculate average. It will calculate sum, take the sum of all values and divide it. You can see in the status bar it's also mentioned here average of this. It's still now not calculated, that's why 104 is there. If I click on this you can see count, sum and average. These three will be automatically displayed. Whenever you will select any value like this, I have selected these two. See average, count and sum in the status bar itself only. Okay, we can add the percentage sign. You can just go and formatize, click the percentage sign along with the percentage calculation that is also available. You can put this percentage sign here and take the percentage on this. If you want to put these sign, these are the formatting structure percentage like this. You can calculate it. If I put it here and then percentage, this will calculate the percentage on the basis of the formula which you mentioned. You can put the decimal places if you want to increase the decimals or decrease the decimals like this. See it will calculate the value up to 2 decimal points. By default, it will mention it. For example, I have placed a value 5.6. It will be like this, and I want that it should be shown as 5.60. So what I can do, I can put it like this 5.60. It will take number of decimal places you want. You can increase it or you can decrease it. So this is just as in formatting structure, the decimal place section. It will just as in format structure, nothing else. You can manually for the percentage you can manually calculate it also, like as you apply normal mathematical calculation. And this is what I have shown you, the zero one. The third one is you can add equation or the formula also in your worksheet. So for that you can just go on this and you have an option, the insert. Click on equation to insert the equation structure if you want to represent somewhere. So you can just click on insert and you will get symbols and the equations here. Click on symbol, click on equation. Like I just want to put it like this, I can keep it. It won't not exactly calculate the values, but it just wanted to show the equation in your boxes. If you want to put some value regarding this or calculation formula or from mathematical calculation, representation, preparation, somewhere if you want to just show it. I will continue this insert section in next part of this video. So let's keep this time and we'll back in the next video shortly. You can see the next video link is there in my description box. So from there you can continue with the link with the next video link. Same as if you want to see my previous video of this series, you can just click on the previous video link, the previous part link. That is also in the description box. Thank you so much till that time, and we'll connect in the next video from continue from here only.